I'd rather just do the, like, you get the intake.
Hey, are you able to pop them there?
And you take the wheel.
You just open the tab. That shit easy.
You check it there already, if you want. That shit's already like a fucking yeah, it's like this shit's blocking her. Yeah.
Can you pop the trunk?
Your bolt's like right there and shit. Or
$1,700. Well, nah, not the pot yet. 17 A side. We're gonna probably make like 2K or something.
How much you got?
Well, I got 400.
I got 4.
I got 4.
I got 3.
Our side got 25. You guys trying to do 25?
Trying to up the pot, man. They got all these people. 2,500.
2K at least? I got 30 niggas.
That's why you putting the bread up. Come on now.
200 each.
17.
Make it 18 or 30.
17.
18. You already only got 1730, bro. I can make it 18.
I said 1730.
Bro, I'm talking to the driver, bro.
I know, but
No, but we're telling you.
Just
Just take the 30 out then. Just take the 30 out. So 17.
17.
Who the fuck is that guy? Who the fuck is that?
This is probably gonna race too.
Is he fucking slow? We're gonna drag that bitch. Make sure you post that shit.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Snack. Snack. That's a little snack. You know, B58K. Where the PQ cars at, matter of fact?
They're all broken, bro.
Mar got big bread, though. He not taking that out.
Hey, y'all boys Sueno don't race no more?
This ain't little break right now.
It's like this nigga doing extra shit to the car. Taking a break.
Why you trying to race with my boy?
Yep. We get it going this week before he tried to go do some extra shit. What you got? Everybody know what I got. Mirror, 6 speed. Swain don't know.
Let's get it going. Let's get it, man. This is a E85 Intake 50. The other 50 we looked out earlier is also Intake E85. So we're gonna see what's going on, man. Can't put the motherfucking win. You know how we doing. You're going against BZRacing right now for the fuck 'em up. Yes, sir. Here we go.
Put them bands in. Put them bands in.
Let me see that.
Hold on. Let's see.
Good pop money. Good pop money.
Yeah, get
Okay.
those.
Pop money. Sheesh. Get it.
Hey, I was tripping. I don't even care if I was